had a request from a YouTube subscriber, MEK672. He saw my taco lean video and he saw me lift up the front of the truck, and he requested where should the jack points be to be safe. He was a little bit confused. He saw some forum posts, he saw some other posts, and he wasn't sure exactly where it should be lifted safely without damaging your truck or damaging yourself, most importantly. So that's what I'll be talking about today. Quick point, I ended up getting my hard shell taco stickers. So if you're interested in these little stickers, I got the description below where you get them. So let's go over what we need first of all. First of all, what you need is a jack. The higher the better, because these trucks are tall. The second thing you need is a wheel chock, whether it's made out of rubber, made out of wood, metal, something. The last thing you got to have are jack stands, strong, tall jack stands. And the reason why you want jack stands is because you just don't want to lift your truck by the jack and let it rest there. That is very, very dangerous, very unsafe. There's been hazards when they can slip, fall, people can die, or you just have a bad day with your truck. So do not ever go underneath the truck without jack stands. So here's my jack stands, and my chock. As you can see here, I have the Trd Pro Skid Plate. So some people don't have a skid plate, and some people have the factory stamp steel skid plate. So if you don't have a skid plate or the factory stamp steel, there's actually a spot right here, the jack on it. Now in my taco lean video, I actually used a cross member that was way back over here, and I found out that actually was a bad idea. Some of the cross members do get bent. It is a support spot, but it's not really the best support to do that. And I ended up actually reading the instructions too late, but as you can see, it's in between the two bolts, which is near the filter housing. Here's the oil filter, and you can see the little dot that can actually kind of mark the spot. Alright guys, so now it's time to lift up the front. Please excuse my mess. Make sure your e-brake is always on. Make sure it's in park. For me, it's a manual, so I'm going to put it in gear. My driveway actually has a slight incline or decline, so I like to always be safe and put that there. Go ahead. A little bit more. Wait. Stop. Move it about right there. Okay. Good. Alright, what you want to do next is use your jack stands to hold it. And the spot that I use the jack stands on is always the frame. Like I said before, you want to chock the front wheel before you do anything, and then what's good is that you just lift it by the differential or the pumpkin to get to the rear, and you just put it to the frame.